Acquired distribution of goods and service. Course project Basic Microeconomic by Micro. What is marketing? Marketing is the activity set in institution and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and changing offerings that have value for customer, client, partner, and society at large. What is distribution management? Distribution management is a process used to oversee the movement of goods from supplier to a manufacturer, to a wholesaler or retailer, and finally to end consumer. Numerous activities and processes are involved, including raw goods vendor management, packaging, warehousing, inventory, supply chain, logistics, and sometimes even blockchain. What is distribution management important? Distribution management is the first foremost about organizing everything involved in getting goods to the buyer in time, fashion, and with the less amount of waste. Therefore, has the direct impact of profit. What are the four channels of distribution? Wholesaler. Goods are distributed from manufacturer to wholesaler is the this channel. For example, liquor distillery distribute their brand as liquor to wholesaler. Number 2. Retailer. Goods are distributed from the manufacturer to wholesaler to retain, for example, big name of designer clothes and accessories are distributed to high-end retail chains such as Neiman Marcus and Nordstrom and Mark. Number 3. Distributor. This channel moves goods and product sources manufacturer to an authorized distributor. For example, a Ford factory distributes bars factor, food factor, and make model to authorized port dealership for sale to consumer and company. The e-commerce. This is the newest, most disruptive distribution channel, wherein goods services are represented visually online, then distributed directly to the buyer. E-commerce as a fourth channel had led the rapid change and making distribution rethink their traditional strategy. What is a transportation mode? Transportation modes refer to the mode by which is goods of people transported from all one place to other through land, air, or sea. The other modes are via pipelines for gas, oil transport, cable to internet energy supply, and space satellite. What is order processing? It's a critical element of order fulfillment. Order processing is a workflow that ensures customer orders are properly prepared and delivered to the right place. Depending upon the scale of business operation, order processing can happen in distribution center or warehouse when pickers assorted parking work seen. Toward order fulfillment can be done by single person or small. What is warehousing? Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale, distribution. Warehouses are used by all different items of business that need to temporarily store product bulk before either shipping them to other location or individually to end. What is inventory control? Inventory control, also called stock control, is a process management company inventory level can be their own warehouse or spread out location, comprise management items for the time you have then to stock their final destination, deal to the customer or disposal not deal. As inventory control system also monitor the mode may use shed and storage. Inventory control is means management inventory level to ensure that you are keeping optimal amount of each product. Proper inventory control can keep track of your purchase and order can keep rational supply chain. System can be input in the place to help forecasting, allow you to be set recorder points to inventory control can barcode scanner integration, complete inventory counts, Keep track physical inventory with sale and purchase order. Product details, location, history, report, and what is product quality? Product quality is referred to how well the product satisfies customer needs, serves, and performs meet industrialized standards. In bakery, product quality business considers several key factors, including whether products are viable and work efficient and suit customer purpose. Company may also evaluate product quality based various propensity to show how different groups and persons useful product. Propensity to consider assessment product quality include customer propensity, manufacturer perspective, product-based, bio-based, or perspective, and transcendental perspective, which is perceived product value relation to cost. Using their propensity, you can identify product quality. Product quality, performance, intended function, reliability of product within a specific time frame, conformity product and specification, product durability lifespan, product desirability, physical feature of product, and customer preference. Why is product quality important? Product quality is important because the aspect of success of company that help establish a reputation in customer market. When a company creates high quality product can continue to meet customer demand and can lead fewer production costs, higher investment and return on increase in revenue. Product quality also monitors the customer who depend company attention to details customer demand. Company creating product to fill need to market and consumer expect the product to meet that need as a company advise them. They want a product that help them establish a connection with the brand so they know that clearly a customer offering quality product provides customer with safe and effective way to solve their problem. That's the example of the product all.